Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off selfie mirroring effect in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find save selfies as previewed. So let's try to make a photo with this feature turned off. And now let's take another with it turned on. And as you can see, these both pics, they are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.